Now we're going to start off with the arteries. Now the major arteries that are going to be coming out from the pulmonary circulation are these blue arteries right here. They're known as pulmonary arteries. Even though they're blue, and that means that they just only have oxygen-poor blood. They need to go to the lungs because they're taking blood away from the heart. Now on the other hand, all these other arteries are going to be red because they're going into the systemic circulation, where the aorta is coming out from that one semilunar valve right here, the aortic semilunar, into this little aortic arch. And remember, this larger artery is going to still go all the way down this direction. We'll get down to that next time in class. But we're going to look at these major arteries that are coming out from the superior portion of the aorta. You have this one here, one there, and one more there. This one is kind of hidden behind this major vessel right here. Yeah. But we can see it's going to be just that part before it branches off from one side to the other. This is known as the brachiocephalic artery. Now, there's only one of these, so you don't have to worry about anything else. So as this branches off, it's going to form into the
common carotid artery.
That's right, the right common carotid artery, and this is going to be the right subclavian artery. That means this one also will have a partner here known as the left common carotid artery. That means this one also has another partner in a sense, an opposite, known as the left subclavian, right, left subclavian artery. Now we can go do the same thing with the veins here. And well, even though these things are returning back to the heart, we're just going to start here, so that'll be our landmark. Where the veins here, this is going to be your superior vena cava. When we get to this point here where it branches from here and there, they still branch into regions going to the head and to the arm. So these two are going to be known as
brachiocephalic.
That's right, the brachiocephalic veins. That's the right side, this is the left side. Right here is a very small little segments, and that's enough to just distinguish it. So where this starts branches off to the head, and this one to the arm. So that means this one that's coming from the head, that's known as the internal jugular, the right internal jugular. Same thing for this one here, this is just only the left internal jugular. This one over here is going to be the right subclavian vein. And this one right here is the left subclavian vein. And that's all that we have covered so far in class, except for one more thing. These red pulmonary veins are red, oxygen rich, but they're returning back to the heart. So try not to confuse these two right here, because it's guaranteed this happens to someone every time.
This is the artery and this is the vein.
The red ones, yes.
The red one, yes.
That's what we're looking at.
So those are the only two that are different colors?
Yes, until we get to the fetal vessels, then there's going to be something that's a little bit different on that.